How you doing, people? Hope you guys had a good weekend. And I do have some new jokes for you guys. I just want you guys to start staying more positive. And what from my thumbnail, if you guys notice, we're going to use simple things today. I got an old cooking sheet, and we're going to use this to put on the floor. That way you can slide your foot back and forth so you can start building up your hamstring. Because I do have my AFO brace off. I took it off. I do have my knee brace on because I'm going to do some calve raises, and I'm going to do some sliding forward and back with putting your foot on the cooking sheet. And we're also going to do the overhead we're going to also do the overhead pulley. See the setup right there? And then we're going to go and do that as well. That's going to be for the shoulders, but we're going to focus on the legs a lot today. We're going to start getting, because I want to get out both my braces. And the only way it's going to happen is by using this cooking sheet. Seems simple. Find an old one and it'll slide against the ground real good. Or if you got tile at your house, then all you got to do, like where I was living at before, all you got to do is you get on the tile and then put like an old towel or something down, or an old sock, and then just slide your foot back and forth. But this works pretty good though, people. You'll see in a second. So the first joke I got for you guys: why did the football coach go to the bank? Why did the football coach go to the bank? To get his quarterback. Anyways, I always say that anyways. But let's actually start off up there, because that way we can focus on the legs after. So we're going to focus on let's do the shoulder first, and we're just going to do a stretch, because what I've been doing is I've been doing real fast and stuff, which is good. But for what I'm trying to get out of this, I need to get a stretch out, because I have a lot of plasticity on my left side. A lot. When I had my stroke, I don't know if I think I might have mentioned it, but I did almost die that night when I had my stroke. My heart rate was over 200, like it was pretty high. When I stood up, I didn't know I had a stroke. I stood up, fell down, hit my head on the table, knocked myself out, so I was out for a couple hours, so otherwise I would have got to the hospital sooner. But I didn't, people. And that's why I'm really affected. That's why my stroke is a little bit different from everybody else's. Because I got to the hospital I was on the floor for 2 hours, nobody even knew I was out. I got there maybe 2 to 3 hours later. By the time they got the ambulance to get and go pick me up and stuff, because I had to throw stuff at the door because I couldn't even talk at the time. And then I was on my way to go to the restroom, and I ended up peeing myself. And my roommate comes in and thought I was drinking, which I wasn't drinking. I wasn't on anything. I stood up to go to the restroom. When I stood up, I didn't know I had a stroke while I was sleeping or something. And I got up. It was like around 9 or 10 o'clock at night. And the time they got me to the hospital, it was like after 1:30, and the hospital wasn't even that far away. But it was pretty bad, people. I had a pretty bad stroke. That's why you see me with a lot of plasticity, and that's why you keep seeing me put in the work. But I might even be trying to join myself at the gym so I can work on this leg strength a little bit more. But I'm going to ask my physical therapist if that's a good choice I should do or not. I just want to start speeding up this process, because I have family members that are inside the house, but my parents, and my mom and my stepdad, they're kind of older. They're older, and everybody else, I'm on my own on this out here, except for when I go to physical therapy, and that's why I have my dog Peewee right there as well, sleeping. My alarm system, and I have you guys, and when I talk to you guys, and I appreciate you guys all watching my videos and stuff, and I appreciate the nice comments you guys give me and give you guys feedback. If you guys have any more feedback, please leave it in the comments down below. If you can, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to do my best to keep doing what I'm doing, and as you can tell, I've been I've been pulling up music because I'm on Upbeat. I subscribe to that, and I'm also gonna subscribe to Art List. I actually did already, but some of this music I'm listening to right now is copyright music, copyright free music, and I'm just trying to get this in order. I'm trying to do a lot of little things, people. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie, people. It's very hard. My brain doesn't work the way it used to work. when I do these videos and stuff like that, I sometimes have to do 2 takes and stuff because I forget to plug in the mic, or I forget to do this, or when I'm outside, I forget a lot of little things. I try to do my best, and I try to give you guys all the knowledge I can, what I can do, you know what I mean? But I can only do so much. So right now, what we're going to do, instead of doing them all fast like what I've been doing, I'm going to go ahead and sit down and do this. So what I want to do here, which when I talked to my physical therapist, he was telling me that I should be holding it up, like use this one. My effective side is the one that's going up right now. That's my left side. That I should be getting a good stretch on. Like hold it there, hold it up for like a long time, for like 10, 15 seconds. Let it down. Do it up again like that. Hold it, get a good stretch out, which it feels good. But I've been just going like this and stuff, which is okay too, people. But it's good to get a good stretch out. And all the other ones I do with the circles with my hands together, those are also good too, people. I'm telling you, this hookup up here with this pulley, it does help me out because I don't have a massage gun like what they have over at physical therapy. Man, I wasn't there for almost 2 months. When I went there all last week, I went there Tuesday and Thursday last week. It felt good to get the deep massage they give you because they stretch you out and then they work you out. I was sleeping good for those couple of nights because I have real bad plasticity. I don't know what it's going to take. I know it's not 100% I'll be cured, but I'm not going to give up, people. It's not in my ways to give up, people. It's just not the way I am. And I don't have my AFO brace on. I do have my knee brace on. And I've been walking around like all weekend with my ankle weight. It velcros onto my my leg. So we're gonna go ahead and do the pan thing on the floor. So let me set this up a little bit different, okay? I appreciate you guys having patience with me. Hope you guys can see that. I think it can be close. I'm gonna go ahead and take the knee brace off. And I'll go ahead and give you guys one more joke real quick, okay? What do you call a pig that knows karate? What do you call a pig that knows karate? A pork chop. Anyways, you put this on the floor. So that's how you do right there, people. I don't know if you guys get a good vision of that, but I'll get over here a little bit more. I'm doing my best I can, people. I'm struggling tonight. I don't know if you guys have been doing the challenge still. Right now I'm being challenged with this pan. So basically you just want to go forward and back, okay? 1, 2. And what that's going to do is build your hamstrings up. That's going to help you to walk upstairs and downstairs or whatever you got, curbs and stuff you got to work on. It's going to help with that. also helps to do the squats, but when you got plasticity like the way I do, my physical therapist told me I need to work on my hamstrings a lot. And also I'm going to do some calve raises as well. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last night I did 3 sets of 10 on this last night. So I am a little bit sore and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put you guys got the gist of that, right? So let's go ahead and do some calve raises now. You guys got the gist of this, how to use this pan. You put this on the floor. Find an old one though. This one's kind of bent up and dinged up because I was using it outside a couple of times. But anyways. Yeah, so all this music that you hear in the background is copyright free music. It's from Upbeat. I need to put it in the description and stuff, but I'm still working on my editing and stuff. I've been on the computer all weekend just trying to do things. And usually I feel better when I do it with the 2x4 because my feet hang over and then I get more of a angle on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm just going to keep it short, people, because like I said, I did do these already. Because I did record already a little bit. I've been playing a lot of experimenting because I'm using my GoPro to do to record some stuff, people. I'm just trying to get things going, people. It's hard. I had a lot of deep thinking I was doing this weekend, but that's beside all the point. What's a knight's favorite fish? What's a knight, you know, like a knight in shining armor or whatever? What's a knight's favorite fish? A swordfish. Anyways, I hope you guys are just doing the best you guys could do. And if you guys are taking a challenge still, leave it down in the comments below. I appreciate it. But I stopped on that for a little bit. I'm starting to focus more on my leg. I'm trying to do those, with the pan. I'm just trying to do better, people. I'm trying to just change it up instead of doing the same routine over and over again. You got to get out of that routine. You just got to, people. Nothing's going to change unless you make it change. And I wish I had a better support team. I wish I had family members that would help me or anybody. I was promised a lot when I first started this adventure. Oh yeah, we'll be there. We'll help you do whatever. That doesn't help. No, I haven't had that help. It's funny, like when I was in the hospital, I felt like, wow, all these people love me, because I was doing bad things when I was living in Arizona when I had my stroke, right before I had my stroke. And I wasn't in contact with my family. That's why I had to move back to California. And I never did anybody wrong. I just stayed away from everybody. I was doing wrong to myself is what I did. But I've been through a lot, people. And I'm still going to work it through. There's some days I just feel like, am I going to get that much better? But I'm not going to give up until I know I just don't see it. But I keep seeing little bits of progress. And that's what pushes me each time I do this. And then when I see you guys' comments like, oh, you're doing good, Rich. and then that helped me out. I'm like, that inspires me to do more. And then when I do more, I feel like I'm getting more breakthroughs on myself, which is great. Let's see, we got it. Well, it really takes guts to be an organ donor. I didn't think that was really a funny joke, but it was on that joke thing I could pull up online. I just been doing a lot of thinking all this week on what I got to do. I just want to do whatever it takes, people. I want to, if I have to go to the gym and put more hours there, I'm going to do it. I'll get an Uber there and start going to Planet Fitness because I'm still a member there. And I just got to start doing it. Got to drop this weight by, like I said, in the middle of May. I have a couple of months. I go to the doctor this Wednesday. Anyways, I'm going to leave it like that. I don't get to talk to a lot of people. And when I do talk, you guys are listening. Or you guys don't have a choice, or you guys do have a choice, you can shut me off and go to the next video. But leave down in the comments below if you guys, everybody made you promises. Oh, they're going to help you. I just don't have a very good support team, people. I wish they did. I would probably be a lot better off. But I'm not, and I'm dealing with it. And I do these videos, and I work out. I work out a couple of times a day now, and I put a lot of effort into everything. And I do take all those pills like I was telling you. If you guys want me to let you guys know what's been working, I feel like they've been working a little bit. They're nootropics. They're all like natural remedy pills or whatever. Like this one is Shilajit. It's an extract, but that one's not as strong as the one that you take, and these ones are stronger. And these are like little tablet pills that you take. They're very strong and they work. It's helping with my inflammation. It's just helping to keep my thoughts better together. And then, and what's this one? Bacopa. That one helps out too. Helps with it gives me more alertness. It's helping with my eyesight. I feel like when I wear my glasses at times, they're too strong now, or they're not. I don't need them as well. Like before, when I used to be on my computer, I'd have to take them off because I feel like I get not headaches, but I feel like my eyes get sore and they get watery. But anyways, let me know if you guys want to know what I've been taking with all this stuff. And I've been taking that NMN, the Pro 300. Those seem to be working. They give me a lot of energy. Give me a lot more energy. And I like that because I really don't like to be lazy. And I got lazy ever since I had my stroke. I used to work hard all the time. I used to be active all the time. I'm not young, and I don't want to get old yet. I know I'm old already, but I got years to go, and that's why I think I want to go to the gym to help out with that stuff. Anyways, I'm going to stop talking about things. Just do your workouts, stay positive, and keep going. Thank you for your time. And please leave a comment down below. I appreciate everything. You guys got any comments about what's going on with you guys? I like to read. I try to get back to all you guys. And Danny out there, I mispronounced your name the last time, and you corrected me on it. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet all you guys. I appreciate each one of you guys. I like interacting with you guys. So you have a good day. If you guys like the joke, let me know down below in the comments. If you want to hear more jokes, I'm always pulling them up. Or if you guys got a source for jokes, let me know. Have a good day. Okay, I'll see you guys Wednesday.